Hi there. I just want to let you know that I have another animal communication workshop coming up. In this 2-hour workshop, you will learn the steps of how to initiate a conversation with an animal and also get to practice talking to one of my pets. This is great if you just love animals and you want to connect with them more, or if you feel like animals are trying to tell you something and you're just not sure how to figure out what the message is. Or maybe you already know you're a little intuitive and you want to focus more on working with animals. This is a great opportunity to really get to try talking to them. I believe everyone can communicate with animals. I didn't know until I took a class and I tried it. So you might not know either if you haven't actually tried to communicate with an animal before. So please go to the link in my bio or go to my website, intuitivedenise.com, to learn more about me and what I teach.